The ERGO Switch is the evolution of inline switches. It's designed to eliminate the current hardships that the linemen are experiencing in the field now. The design was inspired by the need to eliminate all the problems that the linemen were finding in the field, from the misfire rates to the specialized tooling problems to the cartridges failing constantly. From the lineman's perspective, the biggest advantages would be that you can install it with one lineman from a safe position at a 45-degree angle underneath the conductor, the impact that every lineman has. You can cut in these switches in 2 to 3 minutes with one lineman without putting anybody at risk. You also have an all-in-one built-in connector system, so you don't have to sort through 12 different wedges. You don't have to sort through cartridges. You don't have to worry about specialized tooling. It's an all-in-one solution.